right anymore. So got on the left side. Okay, they're all kind of not behind the bunker in the middle. Back middle. Back left. Is it not feeding? No. You see the guy in like the burgundy jacket? Yeah. He keeps on sticking out. Just try to get him. Connor, move up. I'm coming in. Yeah, let me go on this side real quick. I can't get him. Oh. I think I got him.
I got him. He's out.
Alright. Here, switch. Can I get the right side real quick? Connor, what do we got? Alright. The square? Alright. Oh, I see him. He just moved out of back left. There's still one guy there though. Get low. There's home back. Dorito, you get him. I'll cover the other guys. Alright, home's out. Yeah, got him. Which Dorito? Which Dorito? He's out, I think. Alright, he's cube. Who do we got now? Who? Is it really? You're out. Ooh, I almost shot the guy in the ass. Am I out? Am I hit?
Back left! Back left!
He's out, he's out, he's out.